Latest development coming in. Rahul Gandhi has met the victims and the families of the Indore water contamination tragedy in Bhagirathpura. Listen into what he had to say.
लोग हैं उनसे अभी मैं मिला हूं, ये हमारे साथ हैं। इनके परिवार में लोगों की डेथ हुई है और लोग बीमार हुए हैं। देखिए, ये कहा जाता था कि देश को स्मार्ट सिटीज दिए जाएंगे। ये नया मॉडल का स्मार्ट सिटी है। लोगों को डराया जा रहा है।
भाई यहाँ से सर, यहाँ से कौन है?
We have Manoj Sharma joining us on the broadcast. मनोज जी, आप हमें बताइए कि क्या कुछ डिमांड्स है जो राहुल गांधी ने सुनी है, जो विक्टिम्स हैं उनसे क्या कुछ बात की है और क्या कुछ ढांढस बंधाया है उन लोगों को?
Right now we are with victim family. In fact, Tara Devi, she was 65-year-old and this is his son Anil. He has lost his mother during this water contamination tragedy, and this family, in fact, all the families, victim families, have been provided rupees 1 lakh each. This is the check provided during this Rahul Gandhi's visit. This amount has been given by the Madhya Pradesh Congress Committee. This is the envelope. Madhya Pradesh Congress Committee has given 1 lakh rupees each to all the victims of this water contamination tragedy. Right now we are with one of the victim family. आपसे राहुल गांधी मिले, क्या बोले? आपको ये चेक भी दे के गए?
दे गए ना चेक, सारे ये चेक दे गए और यही बोले गए कि देखो अच्छा पानी मिलना चाहिए। यहाँ से भागीरथपुरा में जो टंकी का पानी गंदा आता था, कई महीनों से गंदा आ रहा पानी। कई बार तो हम लोग यहाँ पर आए टंकी पर, बोला कर देंगे, यही चलता रहा। 5-6 महीने यही चलता रहा। जब मौत की लाशें बच गई सर, सब कुछ गलत हो गया। फिर अब सही हो रहा है।
आपकी सासू माँ ने कभी बताया, क्योंकि बीच बीच में इस तरह की बात भी आई कि कोमॉर्बिडिटी, दूसरी बीमारियां भी थी, कोई ऐसी बीमारी थी आपकी सासू माँ को?
कोई बीमारी नहीं थी, वो तो अच्छी थी। वो जब ना तो संडे का पानी सबसे बेकार आया था, वह तो संडे को
बेकार पानी आया था। ये टंकी आई वुड आस्क माय कैमरा पर्सन टू शो द वाटर हेड टैंक over here. Now the government is claiming they have got 30% of the area covered under this under the water supply, but still they have got their complaint. And as Rahul Gandhi pointed out, the government, the Indore Nagar Nigam has done band-aid issue, but they have not completed the entire surgery. When attention is gone, the problem would again be these people would be facing the same problem again. So let me ask them, आपको लगता है कि अब आपकी समस्या खत्म हो गई?
समस्या तो अभी कहाँ खत्म हुई है। जब तक अच्छा पानी नहीं आएगा, जब तक कोई समस्या अभी हल नहीं हुई है।
तो पानी अच्छा, वो तो कह रहे हैं कि अब आने लगा, हम वाटर उससे दे रहे हैं, वाटर टैंक
नहीं करता ना, कोई भी यूज नहीं कर रहा अभी। गर्म करके पियो। आदमी को अभी गर्मी आने वाली है तो गर्म पानी पियेंगे क्या ये लोग, बताइए? कोई भी पिएगा क्या? गर्म पानी करके पी रहे अपन, ठीक है। अब गर्मी आ जाएगी फिर क्या करेंगे, आप बताइए ना। तो ठंडा पानी तो चाहिए लोगों के लिए।
तो ये राहुल गांधी कह रहे थे कि नया मॉडल है ये स्मार्ट सिटी का इंदौर।
इसके बारे में तो अब नहीं बोल सकते।
So he has nothing to say about Rahul Gandhi's new nomenclature to Indore city.
Right, Manoj, that you're giving the latest information that in fact the Congress committee has given 1 lakh check each to the victims of the Indore water contamination tragedy. We also are being joined by Pallavi on the broadcast. Pallavi, in fact, Rahul Gandhi has taken sharp dig at the BJP, saying that this is the newest model of the smart city. And in fact, he said that I am here for the people, I am the LOP, I am going to listen to as to what is going wrong in Indore.
See, I mean, the pitch on which the BJP has always come to power is that we can bring about development, we can bring change and infrastructure. And it's not just about Indore. The reason why Rahul Gandhi has chosen to go to Indore now, even after so many days, is very simple. He wants to prick a hole into this narrative which is being pushed by the BJP. And this is something which he is repeatedly going to be pointing out, that this whole development model which is pushed by the BJP is just absolutely a lie. There has been no development. People have not benefited. And whatever the government has been promising has not been fulfilled on the ground. That's the reason why he took out time today after so many days of going to Indore, meeting up with the family, also going to the houses and giving them those checks, as Manoj was pointing out. And this is just a beginning. The beginning is that, Narendra Modi stands for lack of development. Only few people are benefiting, whereas the common man or Aam Aadmi is being shortchanged. That is, of course, the big point which is coming in from him.
Right, Pallavi, thank you for all of those updates. Those are the updates given by Pallavi and Manoj Sharma on the broadcast, stating that the Congress committee has given 1 lakh each to the victims of the Indore tragedy. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has taken a sharp dig at the BJP, saying that this is the newest model of the smart city Indore.